Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about the ETH BTC trade. Alright, so a lot of people, I don't know if you have noticed this or not, but there's been three different times when, well actually two times where ETH basically threatened to flip Bitcoin. So an ETH BTC trade is pretty massive. Typically what happens is after it bounces, or not bounces, but after it blows through the 0.5 or 0.055 mark, basically what that means is one Ethereum is equal to 0.055 Bitcoin. Once it passes that rate, you guys can see I have a Fibonacci trend line so you guys can see this. This is usually when it explodes up. And I'm going to show you guys in this video and show you guys a couple times in this chart. By the way, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And guys, let's go ahead and get into it. So a lot of people have been talking about Ethereum. Everyone's been sleeping on it. Me being an ETH head, I just like holding ETH, and it's finally starting to see its light. So right now it's getting ready to pop through that $3,000 mark. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the ETH USD chart. But you guys can see it's 29.58 right now. So super close. But again, time will tell. We'll see what happens. But guys, look. Do you guys see something that is common? Look, so here's our Fibonacci trend line. Look, it bounces off this 0.55. It also bounces off here. It blew through that, so it kind of messed it up there. But look, it exploded over here and popped way up. It tested here, popped down, exploded way up. Same thing here. Tried to test to break through, couldn't do it, came down. Tried to test, couldn't do it, came down, popped, done. So guys, look, this is, and once it passes this 0.618 trend line on the Fibonacci ratios, that's when it gets into the 0.5, 0.382, 0.236. So you can see as soon as it pops through this, it goes to the next trend line. And that's typically where you're going to see your next level of resistance, which is around the 0.5 line. Look, you have here, 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 and it finally busted through, went back down, retested the 786, bounced all the way back up to retest the 236, came back down to retest the 0.618, then it came right back up, about testing the 382, and then it blew right through. And you guys can see, look, it tested again and again around the 0.786. These trend lines are something that you can use, guys. And look, now we're getting ready to do the same exact thing again. You see this location right here, guys? We're about to pop across the 0.618 Fibonacci trend line, which is going to be the 0.055 BTC line. In my opinion, not financial advice, this is where we're going to see a nice price rise. If you guys want to see this, look, it went as high as 0.2, so basically 5 Ethereum equaled 1 Bitcoin at one point in time. This is back in 2016 when it exploded like crazy. But this is something you guys want to keep on your radar. In my opinion, if it does pop the 0.55, not financial advice, guys. This is not a price prediction or anything. I mean, this could be that Bitcoin goes way down and Ethereum just stays the same. I'm just telling you the ETH BTC trade is it could go up to, I would say, at least this Fibonacci trend line, which is the 0.382. But again, it's not financial advice, guys. It may not do anything at all. Like I said, Bitcoin could go way down and Ethereum stays the same. So you wouldn't have any price appreciation. But guys, we'll see what happens. But that is a big trade I see right now, especially when you have all the institutions who think they quote-unquote missed out on the Bitcoin trade when it was like $10 or $5,000, $10,000, and now it's at 60,000. So they're like, oh man, I missed out. There's no way Bitcoin can at least 2 or 3x from here. And they're like, well, Ethereum, people are saying 10 G's. Oh, it could be a possibility. I think so. Let me make the trade. And a lot of institutions are mainly in Bitcoin instead of Ethereum right now. So there's not a lot of big money behind Ethereum. There is a lot of consolidation. Well, this whole period was a ton of consolidation. And we can show you guys on the USD chart. Right now we're battling the $3,000 mark. I'm going to go ahead and price it in BTC as well so you guys can see this. Every time we get above that certain point on BTC, that's when we explode. The blue is your price in USD for Ethereum. The orange is in your BTC value. But look again, guys. Do you see this section right here? I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see it. Look at this. This is the 0.4 line, about 0.5. Again, that's where you have that resistance. Look right here. You have resistance coming right here, again, about the 0.5 line. So you got tons of resistance right here. And it seems that every time it pops that 0.055 trend line, that's when it explodes. So guys, those are just some trades that I'm seeing. This is not financial advice. This is just the BTC ETH chart. Either way, I'm very bullish on ETH. I love ETH. It is, well, one of my favorite cryptos outside of BTC. So guys, I did an explainer video on my thoughts on whether Bitcoin or Ethereum is more sustainable. I recommend you guys check it out on the channel. Explain your thoughts. If you guys think I'm crazy, go ahead and leave it, a comment in the description below. Tell me what your thoughts are. Tell me what you think is a better trade. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. This is just what I see. This is just what my eyes see. So if you guys think I'm crazy, go ahead. Explain it. If you guys want to support the channel, there's a free way to do it. We have some referral links in the description below. There's also some links in the description below where it has to our Telegram chat. And you can join the Digi Squad if you have any questions. Shoot them in there. We'd be more than happy to help. And if you guys want to support the channel in a free way, smash with the like, subscribe to the channel. And Proverbs chapter 29 verses 20 guys. Do you see someone who speaks in haste? There's more hope for a fool than for them. I'm curious what haste means. Speaking in haste is speaking quickly. So you have 2 ears and 1 mouth. So keep that in mind, guys. Listen before you speak. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Guys, I need you guys to do a couple things. Participate in the quadruple threat. First, set up a Celsius account. Here's a referral link. You guys can use it. Write it down. Type it down. Or you guys can use the link in the description below. Set up a Celsius account. Good for savings. Good for earnings. Don't bet the house on it though. But anyways, you guys can get a free bonus on this. Alright, how do I get this free bonus? Well guys, enter in this link. You guys will get $30. Then deposit $200 in any cryptocurrency. Enter in new 40, like NEW 40 promo code. You guys can use both. And you'll get a total of $70. Guys, that's step 1 of the triple threat. Alright Drake, I did step 1. What's step 2? Alright guys, this is where you can get your small altcoin gems and little game changers. You guys can go to crypto.com. You can set up an account. Here's a link in the description below, or you guys can just type in this code right here on the screen. Deposit some funds in there. You get $25 in bonus crypto. You guys can use that to buy your altcoin gems and have some fun. Step 2 of the triple threat, or I'm sorry, quadruple threat. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks. Step 4, open up a BLOCKFI account. Here's a link you guys can use. The reference code is 024FFE02. All the links are in the description below. Open up a BLOCKFI, just deposit some funds, and you'll get $30 in BTC. And you can also get that crypto cashback rewards card. Don't forget about that. Game changer, 1.5%. And the first few months, you get a bunch of extra percent. Check it out. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like $100 in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up. And of course, guys, if you guys are a pro, there's a link in the description so you guys can sign up with KuCoin and Binance US to get some trading fee discounts. Thanks.